Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. Today we will do a new chapter, that is has versus have. That means use of has and have. Today we will learn rules to remember when to use has and when to use have in a sentence. So children, let us learn when should we use has and when should we use have in a sentence with the help of some pictures for better understanding. Then we will do some exercise based on that rule. Okay? Okay. Let's move ahead. Before moving ahead, we have to know that has and have are used to show possession, which means to show something belongs to you or someone else. Now, let us see the rule when to use has. We use has with he, she, it, and singular noun. When we are talking about one boy, we use he. When we are talking about one girl, we write she. When we are talking about animals or non-living thing, in both cases we use it. And when we talk about anything one in number, it may be one person, one animal, or anything that is one in number, that time also we use has. So children, we use has with he, she, it, and any other singular noun. For example, he has a car, she has a car, it has a tail, Raj has a car. Okay, so all these are he, she, and it are singular pronouns, and Raj is a singular noun. In case of all of these, we are using has, right? Okay, children, let us move ahead. Let us see the rule when to use have. Children, we use have with I, you, we, they, and after any plural noun. When we are talking about many people, we write they, and after they we always use have. When we are talking about our own selves and someone else around, that time we use we, and after we always use have. Other than from this, we use have with I and you. And if there are any plural noun, after that also we always use have. We can say, I have a toy, you have a toy, we have some toys, they have some toys, Raj and Priya have some toys. Right? Now children, let us write the rule. Has equal to singular noun he, she, and it. And try to answer the following examples. The first one is she dash a pet cat. Now children, look at the rule box. There is the word she. So children, after she, we should use has, right? The next one, he dash a ball. He is also there in the rule box. So children, after he, we should use has, right? Okay, next. It dash 7 colors. Children, again look at the rule box. Yes, It is also there. So after it, we should use has. It has 7 colors. Next, Ravi dash a red car. Ravi, it is the name of one person, that means singular noun. So after Ravi, we should always use has, as Ravi is a singular noun. So children, the answer will be Ravi has a red car. Right? Next, have. With have, when should we use have? We can use have after I, we, you, they, and after any other plural noun. Monkeys dash long tail. Now children, look at the word monkeys. It is a plural noun, so we need to use have. Next, I dash a younger brother. So children, as we can see in the rule box, after I, we should use have. So children, it will be I have a younger brother. Next, we dash a toy shop. Again, look at the rule box. Yes, after we should use have. We have a toy shop. Next children, you dash long hair. Children, as we can see in the rule box, after you, we should use have. So children, the answer will be you have long hair. Right? The next sentence, we dash a big house. Children, we is also there in the rule box. So after we should use have. We have a big house. So children, I hope all of you understand it. Now, let us follow the rule box and do the following exercise ourselves. Okay? Children, this exercise will help you for better understanding. So children, please write down the rules in your notebook and try to do this exercise yourself. Okay? You all are good students now, so please do it. So children, that's all for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me during the class. Okay? Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day.